Hello, fellow animal enthusiasts. Welcome back to The Animal Explorer. I'm your host, SK Saha, and today we have an exciting video in store for you. We'll be diving into the fascinating world of the Indian Star Tortoise. The Indian Star Tortoise, scientifically known as Geochelone Elegans, is a captivating species found in the beautiful landscapes of India and Sri Lanka. These tortoises are known for their striking appearance, unique shell patterns, and intriguing behaviors. Let's take a closer look at these fascinating creatures. The Indian Star Tortoise is a medium-sized terrestrial tortoise with an average adult size ranging from 12 to 14 inches, 30 to 35 centimeters, in length. Their shell, known as the carapace, is domed and sturdy, providing excellent protection. What sets them apart is the remarkable star-like patterns adorning their shells. These patterns consist of vibrant yellow lines radiating from the center, resembling stars in the night sky. It's truly a sight to behold. In terms of coloration, the Indian Star Tortoise exhibits a range of shades, including black, brown, or dark green, providing camouflage in their natural habitat. The combination of their shell patterns and coloration makes them one of the most visually appealing tortoise species. The Indian Star Tortoise can be found in a variety of habitats, including dry grasslands, scrublands, and thorny forests. They are well adapted to arid environments and have the ability to withstand high temperatures and scarcity of water. These tortoises are native to India, particularly in regions like Rajasthan, Gujarat, and Karnataka, as well as certain areas of Sri Lanka. Their diet primarily consists of herbaceous vegetation, including grasses, leaves, and succulent plants. They are known to be opportunistic feeders, taking advantage of available food sources. This herbivorous diet provides them with the necessary nutrients for their growth and survival. Indian Star Tortoises are diurnal creatures, meaning they are active during the day. You can often spot them basking in the sunlight, regulating their body temperature and absorbing essential UV rays. They are known to be relatively social and can be found in small groups or aggregations, particularly during feeding or mating seasons. Due to their captivating appearance and calm demeanor, Indian Star Tortoises are sought after as pets. However, it's important to note that capturing and trading them is illegal in many countries, as it threatens their wild populations. Responsible pet ownership and conservation efforts play a crucial role in protecting these incredible tortoises. In summary, the Indian Star Tortoise is a visually stunning species found in India and Sri Lanka. Their unique shell patterns, diverse coloration, herbivorous diet, and intriguing behaviors make them a fascinating subject to study and admire. Let's continue our exploration into the intriguing facts about these tortoises. Fact 1: Diet and feeding habits. Now, let's dive into the fascinating diet and feeding habits of the Indian Star Tortoise. These herbivores have a varied palate and enjoy a diverse range of plant-based foods. Their diet primarily consists of leafy greens, such as hibiscus leaves, dandelion greens, and various species of grasses. They also relish fruits like strawberries, mangoes, and melons, along with flowers and succulent plants. Interestingly, Indian Star Tortoises have a unique feeding pattern. They are known to graze and browse, moving from one food source to another, nibbling on available vegetation. This behavior helps them fulfill their dietary requirements, while also ensuring they don't overgraze a particular area. Their grazing habits play a vital role in maintaining the balance of their ecosystem. Fact 2: Shell characteristics. Now, let's explore the remarkable characteristics of the Indian Star Tortoise's shell. As mentioned earlier, their shells feature intricate star-like patterns. These patterns are formed by bright yellow lines radiating from the center of each scute, or shell segment, resembling stars. Each tortoise has a unique pattern, similar to human fingerprints. Not only do these patterns make the Indian Star Tortoise visually appealing, but the shell also serves crucial functions. It provides protection from potential predators, like birds and mammals, by allowing the tortoise to retract its limbs and head within the shell. Additionally, the shell plays a significant role in thermoregulation, helping them maintain an optimal body temperature. Fact 3: Behavior and activity. Let's explore the behavior and activity of Indian star tortoises. While they may not be known for their speed, they have their own intriguing behaviors. These tortoises are diurnal, meaning they are active during the day. They spend their time foraging, basking in the sun, and exploring their surroundings. While Indian star tortoises may not be social in the same way as some other animals, they do exhibit certain social tendencies. During feeding or mating seasons, you may spot them in small groups or aggregations, sharing a common space and engaging in interactions. These gatherings provide opportunities for tortoises to communicate and potentially establish dominance hierarchies. Fact 4: Reproduction and Life Cycle. Let's move on to the intriguing world of reproduction and the life cycle of the Indian star tortoise. Mating rituals among these tortoises are fascinating to observe. Males actively pursue females, often engaging in head-bobbing displays and gentle nudging to gain their attention. Once a female chooses her mate, copulation takes place. After mating, the female tortoise searches for a suitable nesting spot to lay her eggs. She digs a hole in the ground using her hind legs and deposits her clutch of eggs. The number of eggs laid can range from one to several at a time. The eggs are left to incubate in the warmth of the sun and the surrounding environment. The incubation period lasts for several months, during which the developing hatchlings are shielded by their eggshells. It's a waiting game filled with anticipation. Once ready, the hatchlings emerge from their eggs, starting their own journey in the world. Fact 5: Conservation status and threats. Now, let's address the conservation status and threats faced by Indian star tortoises. These incredible creatures are classified as vulnerable, mainly due to habitat loss and illegal pet trade. Their natural habitats, including grasslands and scrublands, are being encroached upon by human activities, leading to habitat degradation and fragmentation. Additionally, Indian star tortoises are highly sought after in the exotic pet trade due to their captivating appearance. However, capturing and trading them is illegal in many countries, as it contributes to the decline of their wild populations. Responsible pet ownership and supporting conservation efforts are crucial in ensuring the survival of these tortoises in their natural habitats. By sharing these interesting facts, we can raise awareness about the Indian star tortoise and inspire others to appreciate and protect these incredible creatures. Now, let's dive into some fun and interesting anecdotes about the Indian star tortoise, adding a touch of charm to our exploration. Anecdote 1: Did you know that Indian star tortoises have been known to make various vocalizations? While not as loud as some other animals, they communicate with each other through soft grunts and hissing sounds. These unique vocalizations add an extra layer of fascination to their already intriguing nature. Anecdote 2: One fascinating aspect of Indian star tortoises is their ability to retreat into their shells when they sense danger. Their ability to retract their limbs and head allows them to protect themselves from potential predators. It's always fascinating to observe how these tortoises quickly withdraw into their shells, creating a protective shield. Anecdote 3: Indian star tortoises have a special adaptation that helps them survive in arid environments. During periods of extreme heat or scarcity of water, these tortoises have the ability to reabsorb water from their bladders, helping them conserve moisture within their bodies. It's an incredible adaptation that allows them to thrive in their natural habitat. Anecdote 4: These tortoises have an interesting characteristic that aids in camouflage. When they feel threatened or scared, Indian star tortoises have the ability to tuck their limbs and head inside their shells and close them tightly. This behavior, combined with their natural coloration and shell patterns, allows them to blend seamlessly into their surroundings, making them difficult to spot. These anecdotes showcase the unique and endearing qualities of Indian star tortoises, making them even more fascinating to learn about and appreciate. That brings us to the end of our exploration into the Indian star tortoise. We've learned about their diet, shell characteristics, behavior, reproduction, and the importance of conservation. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel for more captivating animal content.